So first problem, find the value of 4 into 3 by 5. So 4 into 3 by 5 అంటే 4 ని 4 by 1 గా రాస్తే అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది 4 by 1 into 3 by 5. So 4 into 3 12, 1 into 5 5. So 12 by 5 అవుతుంది. Next problem, 3 by 4 into 7 by 5. So 7 into 3 21, 4 into 5 20. So 21 by 20. Next problem, 3 into 4 and 2 by 5. 4 and 2 by 5 అనే మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ని నార్మల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ గా ఎలా రాస్తాం 5 into 4 20, 20 plus 2 22 by 5. So 3 into 22 by 5. ఇక్కడ 3 into 22 అంటే 66 by 5. Next problem, 3 and 2 by 5 into 1 and 1 by 2. 3 and 2 by 5 అంటే 5 into 3 15 plus 2. So 17 by 5 into 1 into 2 2 plus 1 3 by 2. So 17 by 5 into 3 by 2. So 17 into 3 51, 5 into 2 10. 3 into 5 by 8. So 3 into 5 15 by 8. Next problem, 7 into 3 and 5 by 6. 3 and 5 by 6 అంటే 6 into 3 18 plus 5 23 by 6. So 7 into 23 by 6, that equals to 161 by 6. Next problem, 2 by 5 into 4 by 15. So 2 4s are 8. 5 into 15 75. 8 by 75. Next problem, 3 by 10 into 2 by 5. So 3 into 2 6 by 10 into 5 50. So if 2 తో cancel చేస్తే 3 by 25. Next problem, 6 into 4 by 3. So 6 4s are 24 by 3. So 3 తో cancel చేస్తే 3 1s are 3 8s are. ఆన్సర్ అనేది 8 అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, 3 and 5 by 3 into 2 by 15. 3 and 5 by 3 అంటే 3 3s are 9 plus 5 14 by 3 into 2 by 15. So 14 by 3 into 2 by 15. 14 2s are 28, 15 3s are 45. 28 by 45. Next problem, 1 by 8 into 2 by 15. So 2 by 120, that equals to 1 by 60. Next problem, 3 by 2 into 8 by 5, that equals to 24 by 10, that equals to 12 by 5. Next problem, 4 and 2 by 3 into 5 and 1 by 6. 4 and 2 by 3 ni 4 into 3 plus 2 అంటే 14 by 3 into 5 and 1 by 6 అంటే 5 6 30 plus 1 31 by 6, 31 by 6. So 14 by 3 into 31 by 6, that equals to 434 by 18. దీన్ని 2 తో క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే 217 by 9. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, 5 and 2 by 4 into 2 and 3 by 4. 5 and 2 by 4 నేను ఎలా రాస్తున్నాను 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22 by 4 into 2 and 3 by 4 నేను ఎలా రాస్తున్నాను 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11 by 4. So 22 by 4 into 11 by 4, that equals to 242 by 16. 2 తో క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే 121 by 8 అవుతుంది.